Hi, this is Adrian from ProposalPoint, and today I'm going to show you the new feature where you do not have to display a method of sale recommendation anymore. So to not do this, you simply, well, first of all, I'll show you a proposal and the section that I'm talking about. So when you go into a proposal and go to the method of sale section, you can see here that it has the details on the different options, and then you have a recommended sales method where it will then display what you select. So if you did not want to make a recommendation, and we've had a few agents ask us for this option, you can, when creating a proposal or obviously edit an existing proposal, in the proposal details section, go to the method of sale section. Now, by default, this will be please select now, and if you leave it as please select, there will be no recommendation made on the proposal. So I'll show that to you now, and we'll check that that is now the case. So won't be a moment. So I'll go down to the method of sale section. You still have all of the details on the different options displayed, but there's now no recommendation made on the proposal. So if you have any questions, please feel free to just get in touch with us, and we're always happy to help.